What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Regular Savings Account. Kasi maraming klaseng savings account si BPI. Pero yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung common or yung regular savings accounts nila. Which is yun yung kumbaga ginagamit ng karamihan. Kung mag-open kayo ng savings account sa BPI, ito yung i-open mo. Or kumbaga, it comes with ATM Master Card. Kasi meron din checking account. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano yung initial deposit ng regular savings account ni BPI at saka yung interest kung magkano yung kikitain nyo every year per annum. Pero every month yung payout niya. Tapos pag-uusapan din natin guys yung requirements sa pag-open ng BPI Regular Savings Account. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, savings accounts. Secure, manage, and grow your funds conveniently. Juggle your daily expenses easily. Enjoy convenient online banking, easy fund transfer, cashless payments, and interest on your funds. Kasi nga guys, kapag may savings account kayo sa BPI, pwede nyo siyang i-open sa online banking kasi may BPI online sila. Then, pwede kayo makapag-fund transfer doon at saka cashless payments using BPI Debit Card Master Card. And then, may interest of course, and interest on your funds. Siyempre, kapag nag-save kayo doon, may interest kayong kikitain every month. Earn more as you save more. Get a bonus of 0.125% per annum if no withdrawal is made within the month. So, 0.125%. Take note guys ha, yun yung kikitain nyo. Ito yung parang interest kapag hindi kayo nag-withdraw within a month. 0.125%. Pero kapag nag-withdraw kayo, mamaya malalaman ninyo. Find a savings account for you. Kasi maraming savings account si BPI. Ito merong Saver Plus, a savings account that rewards you now while you save for your future. Then Save Up, an all-digital savings account that allows you to do more and earn more. Meron din silang Maxi Saver, a card-based savings account that lets you earn more as you save more. Meron din silang Pamana Savings. Ito yung mga iba't ibang klaseng savings account ha. Pamana Savings, a card-based savings account that gives free life insurance worth 3 times your account balance. So kung magkano yung laman ng account balance, 3 times yung magiging payout ng insurance kapag if ever na may nangyari sa inyo, something happened, na deads kayo, ganon. Then, US dollar savings, grow your foreign currency and save, keep your funds with a passbook or enjoy higher returns. Then, my Save Up, an all-digital BPI savings account that you can exclusively open using the GCash app. So, ito yung collaboration with GCash. Pamana Padala, a remittance solutions where you can remit your hard-earned salaries and manage remittances. Padala Manager, secure savings account that makes it easier to manage remittances from abroad. Then ito na guys, yung regular savings account. A savings account with electronic banking convenience so you can juggle your day to day. So ito yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon kasi ito yung common savings account na ginagamit ng sangkatauhan or ng karamihang Pilipino. So ayan, nakikita nyo regular savings. So ito yung overview nyo guys, kung magkano yung initial deposit kapag balak nyo mag-open ng regular savings account ni BPI. Required initial deposit is Philippine peso 3,000 pesos. Amount needed to open your own savings account. Required minimum monthly average daily balance is 3,000. So kapag sinabing required minimum average daily balance guys, ano to, kailangan nyo i-maintain yung amount na to para hindi kayo ma-charge ng service charge every month which is amounting to 300 pesos. ADB is the sum of the daily end-of-day account balances for amount divided by the number of days in that month. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan araw-araw 3,000 yung magiging balance ng account ninyo. Kasi kapag nag-fall down siya and sa 3,000, on the next month, 2 consecutive months actually, matcha-charge kayo ng 300 pesos na service charge. Lahat ng bangko guys, gumaganyan sila. Then, required daily balance to earn interest is Philippine peso 5,000. Save and grow your funds. So, bago kayo makapag-earn ng interest or bago kumita yung nakasave ninyong pera, is kailangan 5,000 yung nakadeposit pataas. Below 5,000, hindi mag-earn ng interest yon monthly. Then, interest rate per annum. Ito yung regular interest, guys. Kanina naman yung nabanggit ko na 0.125% kapag walang withdrawal within a month. Ito naman, ito yung regular interest nila. Kapag nakapag-withdraw kayo, ito yung magiging interest niya per annum, which is 0.0625%. Earn this interest when you meet the required daily balance to earn interest, which is yung 5,000 pesos, guys. Then, yung features ng account nito, ito, secure transactions, enjoy secure debit card transactions for purchases and withdrawal here and abroad. So, pwede siyang makapag-withdraw abroad. Halimbawa, using your BPI debit card, MasterCard, you can withdraw here funds even abroad. Hassle-free. Pay your bills to over 200 merchants. Online account opening for existing BPI clients. Do everything online, open account, transfer funds, pay bills, load e-cards, and more. So, kapag nakaano kayo sa BPI online, mabilis nyo lang siya ma-transfer or makapag-access ng billers or makapag-bayad kayo ng bills. Cashless shopping. So, ito guys, cashless payments online and in stores, wherever Banknet or MasterCard is accepted, using your BPI debit card, MasterCard. Convenient. Reload cell phones and prepaid cards instantly or easily transfer funds to enrolled accounts. So, kapag naka-enroll kayo sa BPI online, mabilis lang lahat. Pwede kayo makapag-transfer sa ibang bank account na sa ibang bank account ng sa ibang BPI account holder, and makapag-load ng mobile numbers ninyo. Quick guides, guys, kung paano mag-open ng regular savings account sa BPI. If you have an existing BPI account, open an account online or visit a branch near you. Kasi kapag existing customer na kayo, guys, or may existing account kayo sa kanila, no further documents needed. Automatic na yun. Halimbawa, gusto nyo lang ng checking account, so may record na kayo, mabilis na lang, dire-diretso na yun. How to open a regular savings account online. So here's a quick guide, guys, kung paano mag-open ng regular savings account sa BPI via online. Number 1 is select, open a new account. Tap open another deposit account. Pangatlo is tap open account now. Pang-4 is choose PHP as currency kasi may pwedeng dollars, pwedeng PHP. Since nasa Pilipinas kayo, PHP yung PPDin nyo. Choose regular savings with debit card. Para may debit card kayo, guys. Number 6 is read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then number 7, tap confirm. Then 8, you may now fund your regular savings account. Then ito, guys, debit card. It's the best way to control your spending. Use it when you shop here or anywhere in the world. So using debit card, guys, pwede siyang gamitin anywhere. Pwede kayo makapag-withdraw ng pera, makapag-shopping using your card, cashless transactions, lahat yun. So ito, guys, I would like to remind you that if you are a BPI debit card, MasterCard debit card holder, may mga confidential details yan, inuulit-ulit ko to, kailangan pangalagaan nyo yung details na yon kasi confidential yon, huwag yung pinagkakalat kasi pwede siya magamit sa online transaction. So, savings nyo yon, magugulat na lang kayo na babasan yung pera ninyo sa account ninyo. Kaya, be aware kayo din, guys, dapat yung ingatan yung details ng debit cards ninyo. So, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!